Hello friends, welcome to Yash Touch channel. I am Yash. Today I am making video for inspection type 08, that is stock transfer inspection. With the help of this inspection type, we can transfer our stock within the plant or plant to plant. With the help of this inspection type 08, we can transfer our stock from storage location to storage location, and also we can transfer our stock from one plant to the other plant. So friends, let's move towards quality inspection type charts. As you showing on the chart, 08 inspection type is nothing but stock transfer inspection. Its functional area is nothing but transfer posting. Some prerequisite is needed for generating inspection lot for stock transfer inspection, and these prerequisites is as inspection plan and MICs. We use uses 5, that is good receipts, and status 4, that is release for general, for generating this inspection type. And inspection type 08, that is stock transfer inspection, is stock relevant. The sequence of transaction step for generating inspection lot for stock transfer inspection is as: create stock transfer order first. With the help of T-code MIGO, we will transfer our lot from one storage location to storage location. So first we create stock transfer order, then automatic inspection lot created, and then we will do result recording, UD, and stock posting. We can use this type of inspection for any kind of material like raw material, finished material, semi-finished material, etc. So with the help of this inspection type, we can transfer our stock from plant to plant with the help of moment type 301, and we can transfer our stock from storage location to storage location with the help of moment type 311. So friends, let's move toward demo. I will create two material, one for transfer stock from plant to plant and another material for transfer stock from storage location to storage location. So friends, as shown on the screen, here is my first material 1929. This material I will use for transferring stock from storage location to storage location. So my first step is to create quality management view for that particular material. So I select here in quality management view, this is my plant. Yes, I click on inspection setup. Currently there is no any inspection type. Click on inspection type. Here I want to select inspection type 08, that is stock transfer inspection. Click on active. Yes. Again, I want to check whether all business transaction properly fetch or not. Okay. Sometimes all business transaction is not properly fetched, so it's good thing to check all these business transaction like post to inspection stock, inspection with task list, etc. Then I want to save my material. So friends, my material 1929 I want to extend for two storage locations. So now I will check first this material is already extended or not. Yes, I had already extended this material for two storage location. My first storage location is LG01 and my second storage location is L001. So now I want to check also for L001. Here is all views are properly extended. For checking purpose, I want to check it. Yes, no problem. So friends, my next step is to create inspection plan for this material. So T-code for creating inspection plan is nothing but QP01. Here I put my plant 1000. Here I put uses as a 5, that is good receipt, and status 4 because we want to receive that material. Now I click on operation where I put my control key QM01 because in QM01 control key my inspection characteristics require business transaction is activated. Now I want to click on inspection characteristics where I put my MIC. Is vernier is my MIC, and in sampling procedure, sample 1 is my sampling procedure. Now I click on consistency check where I want to know is any error message, is any warning message available with this inspection plan. So currently there is no any error message, no error, any warning message. Means my plan is ready for saving. So now I will save it. So as move towards inspection chart, my next step is to create stock transfer order. But before that, I want to show you current situation of stock of that finished material. So my finished material is nothing but 1929, and as showing on the stock overview screen, for particular 1000 plant FG01 storage location with batch 17, my stock is 100, and in storage location L001 with batch 18, my stock is 20. So friends, now I want to transfer my FG01 100 stock to L001 stock. So this is transfer within the plant. This is nothing but transfer within the plant. So now T code for this stock transfer is nothing but MIGO. With the help of MIGO transaction, we can do it. Here I click on transfer posting. Here other, here is the 311 moment because transfer within the plant means storage location plant. Here I click on finish. Sorry, my finished material is 1929. Yes, my finished material is 1919. Okay, 1 minute. $1929 is my finished material. My plant is 1000. Yes, my plant is 1000. Now my storage location is FG01 where I want to transfer to L001. So again I want to show you stock overview screen. In stock overview screen, in FG01 stock is 100 with this batch, and I want to transfer some stock to this storage location L001. So now my batch is 17, and here is I want to put same batch. I want to transfer 25 quantity from FG01 storage location to L001 storage location. So now I want to check material quantity here also where this batch. So I think already all are clear. Now I want to check whether any error or warning message. The document is okay, means now it is ready for posting. So now I can post it. I click on the post. Now my material document is posted. Now I want to refresh this. Friends, as you showing on the current screen, the FG01 storage location there is 100 stock, and L001 storage location there is 20 stock. Now I want to refresh it. So now there is changes happen that my FG01 storage stock reduces 25, means 100 to 75, and my L001 stock increases 25, but it is in quality. Why? Because we want to create 08 inspection type. We want to maintain 08 inspection type in material master, and we want to maintain plan also. So friend, my next step is to, as per showing on the inspection chart, inspection lot is created. So I want to check whether my inspection lot is created or not. So T code for showing inspection lot is nothing but QA32. Here I put today's date. Here put direct material also 1929, and I want to execute it. So friends, there is one inspection lot start with 8, and its status is REL CLC SPRQ quantity posting required. So as showing on the inspection chart, my next step is to do result recording, UD and stock posting. So here I click on result recording. Here I put a result. Sorry. Yes. Here I put result. Refresh it. The status will change. REC means result recorded. Now I want to do usage decision. So I want to accept this inspection lot because my results are within specification. In inspection lot stock, I want to put all quantity towards unrestricted and I want to save it. After refreshing, system status change, green light comes, system status is UD. Now I want to refresh my stock requirement list. Currently 25 is in quality. Now it will transfer towards unrestricted. I want to refresh it. So after refreshing, this L001 storage location with 70 batch stock is in unrestricted. So friends, this is more about inspection type 08 with 311 moment type that we will transfer stock within a plant. So we can transfer stock also from the same batch or different batch also. Currently we use 70 to 70 batch, but during transfer posting we can use different batch also and we can transfer with the same fashion. Friends, what as showing on the chart, my next step is to show you plant to plant moment type 301, plant to plant stock transfer. So this is same procedure, somewhat different. So I will show you. Friends, I had created one material for plant to plant transfer and this material number is 1939, 1930. Yes, here as you show, I want to extend or I already extend this material for two plant. My first plant is 1000 and my second plant is 100. So I will check all master data with both plant. Yes, all MRP views are okay. I want to maintain quality management view for that finished product. Here I will maintain inspection type 08, that's a stock transfer inspection. Again, I want to check it all business transaction properly assessed or not. So all business transaction is properly assessed. Now I want to save it. Next also I want to check for this material in other plant. My other plant is A100 and other plant location is also different, A003. Here also I want to check whether my all business functions of quality management view and all my MRPs are properly fetched or not. So here I want to maintain inspection type 08. Every small mistake in master data will hamper on inspection lot. So be aware about maintaining inspection types or all master data properly. So I want to check all my business transactions related to inspection type page and it's okay. Now I want to save it. So my next steps is to create inspection plan for that particular material. T code for creating inspection plan is nothing but QP01. Here I put uses 5 status 4. All of you better know now. Here I put my control key. Here I click on inspection characteristics to put MICs and sampling procedure. I want to check consistency. There is no any error and warning message. I want to save it. My next step is to create inspection plan for my second plant also. Here is my second plant A100. Here same fashion, I will put uses and status, click on operation. Here I put my quality key, that is QM01. Here I put my MICs. You can put number of MIC. There is no any limitation, but time being, I will put only one because procedure is same. Then I want to check consistency and I want to save this material. So friends, here also I want to show you stock requirement or stock overview of this material, that is 1930. In MMB, I want maintain only 1930 finish material and execute. So as showing on the screen, my finish good material of plant 1000 stock is 100 and my A100 stock is 25. So friends, my next step is to transfer this 50 quantity from 1000 plant to A100 plant. My next step is to transfer 50 quantity from 100,000 plant to 800 plant. So as you know, procedure is same. Here I put now moment type is changed. So moment type I put here 301 because 301 is transfer plant to plant and 311 is transfer within the plant. So here I put my finished material. My finished material is 1930. Here I put my plant from which I want to transfer, and here I put plant from which to which I will receive the material. So my receiving material plant is A100 and my transferring plant is 1000. Here I put storage location of transferring plant and here I put storage location from receiving plant. Yes, here I put batch, so batch is 14. Okay, here I put batch of transferring material, so I want to put same batch, no problem, you can change also. And as you know, I'm transferring 50 quantity. Now I want to check whether my transfer posting is properly assigned. One error message, enter document header. Here you can put text. Now I want to again check. So my document okay. Now I want to post this document. So messages come that document is properly posted. Again I want to go stock overview screen. Here now my 1000 plant FG01 storage location with batch 14 quantity is reduced by 50 and my plant A100 and storage location A003 with batch 14 quantity is increased in 50, but it is in quality inspection because we want to maintain inspection type 8 and plan. So my next step is do result recording and stock posting. So as you know, in inspection lot selection I put date range, plant and finished material. So my plant is now A100 because this inspection lot is generated in plant A100. It is receiving plant. So this is one difference, that we want to maintain plant A100 here. Now I want to select it. As shown on the screen, there is one inspection lot with plant A100 quantity 50 and system tested REL, CLC, SPRQ quantity posting required. So now I want to do result recording for the same. Here I put my result, refresh it, lock it. Yes, I want to save it. Again I refresh it. Now I want to do usage decision for the same. Yes, I want to do. Yes, I want to put this in inspection lot stock. I want to put whole quantity towards unrestricted, and I want to save this material. I want to refresh this inspection lot, and now my system status will change. Release to UD. My next step is to refresh stock overview list. So friends, currently 50 quantity is in quality. Now after refreshing, this quantity moves towards unrestricted. So now I refresh it. So after refreshing, this quantity moves towards unrestricted use with the same batch. So one more thing I will tell you, if you want to know moment type, then we can check with the help of MB51 T code. Here you put finish material, here you put plant also and execute. So friends, there is currently 321 and 301 moment. In 301 moment, we can transfer our stock, and in 321 moment, we can transfer stock from quality to unrestricted. So this is important chart. I think you are very clear how this stock posting happen, and which moment type we can use, which inspection type we can use to transfer stock within the plant, and which inspection type we can use to transfer from plant to plant also. So friends, this is more about inspection type 08. Next time I will come with inspection type 9. Meanwhile, you like Yash Touch channel, subscribe it and share it. Keep touch with Yash Touch. Thank you.